Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'll be talking about Deepin OS. Yes, I've done a lot. If you can see in my list, I did Windows 11, Debian 11, Linux Mint, KDE we bought. So yeah, today we'll be doing Deepin OS. So now we're just gonna load it in. Firstly, obviously, after we're installing it, we're gonna switch, and we're gonna stop the auto and like auto loading. I don't even know whether this has it, but yeah, anyways, we're just gonna put with the kernel into desktop mode / graphical interface. But for some reason, for nearly every single part of my operating systems, they are all actually no, most of them have GUIs, but one of them, Rocky Linux, didn't have any, and yeah, that's the only one. Anyways, we have Deepin OS here. It's really loaded in. Now we are just gonna, I can do this in Chinese, but nah, I'm just gonna go with English because I'm nowhere near fluent in Chinese. Okay, install here. I'm just gonna go in this. What? It's not much, right? Yeah, install here. Okay. You need at least 64 gigs of space to get better performance, 128 gigs. Okay, next. Okay, next. Fix to continue and root partition. Okay. Okay, guys, give me a moment. You're just gonna done. Next. One error found disk. Okay, you're not giving me a moment. I'm just gonna go and create myself. I'm gonna go create different drive here. We're gonna choose that disk drive. We have Deepin OS over here. We're just gonna go here. Choose a disk image. I have a lot. I'm just gonna delete this one since this is like useless right now. We're just gonna right click. Can I delete this? Oh yeah, no. Never mind. Give me a moment. Let me just go create another disk. First, how do I do it? Add. Okay. Add down here. We cannot add. We have to create another one. We're just gonna continue. This will be 128 due to the minimum requirements. Okay, we have the 128 gig one, and yes, it's here, and we can just start it. Should work no problem right now. I'm gonna switch full screen mode again. Okay, now we're just gonna press enter. Let's hope that it's due to this. That's why it didn't work. Now we have a 128 gig one because Deepin OS might be a bit more storage, needs more storage. So yeah. Anyways, it's kind of late. It's not very late tonight, but yeah. If you guys ask why I film my videos late at night, it's because I have a lot of homework in school, which is very painful. For example, the most painful one is obviously Chinese, but yeah. And I just lost my cursor. Command. Yeah, okay, command give me back my cursor. Does Deepin not boot now? Ah, great. Command key. I'm gonna power off the machine first. Okay, 128 desktop community edition, skill factor 3. Okay, I'm gonna give this dual core just in case it needs to meet some certain requirements as well. I'm gonna give it quad core actually. And enable AMD-V, and we're gonna start it. Let's hope this works. This is 4 cores with 8 gigs of RAM, which is kinda decent. That's very decent. And yeah, this feel okay. Let's hope this boots now. It could be because of core count, because now it seems more like it's gonna boot. We don't know. I mean, I don't know. You guys probably know, but anyways, we're just gonna wait for this to load. It shouldn't take that long. I take that back. It's probably gonna take a while, but yeah. Deepin OS, if I'm not wrong, it's I for some reason I might be wrong here. Don't take my word for this, but if I'm not wrong, Deepin OS is a Chinese one. So yeah, it's a Chinese distribution. I feel, but it might be wrong. But yeah. Anyways, yes, it is Chinese. I'm not wrong. Let's go. I've proved my point. It's made by my favorite phone company, Huawei. It's developed by Huawei. So yeah, Deepin OS, don't fail me. Yeah, I'm almost 100% sure this won't boot ready at this rate. So yeah. Okay, let's just cancel that. I'm gonna let that run first, and I'm gonna go and figure out. Actually, no, cancel. No, still not gonna work. Okay, come on. Okay, we're just gonna cancel this while I go find out how I can resolve this issue first. Okay, I'm gonna power the machine. This time I'm gonna boot in with save graphics. Yeah, I'm gonna boot in with save graphics. The latest one is 26 June. This should be the newest one. Okay, advanced option, install. Okay, this is with save graphics. I hope this works. Because just now we did have an error message before. Botting, okay, it's ODMA position. Okay, let's hope this works now. Okay. Yes, what did I say? We did need save graphics. That probably bypassed something that I have no clue what else. But yeah. This is by Huawei, so I'm just gonna go with Chinese for this video. Sorry guys if you don't understand. I'm gonna try to guide you guys through because my Chinese sense is also not good, but since this is a Chinese distribution, I'll probably bring it through you guys in Chinese as well. Okay, anyways, this thing down here says, do you agree with our terms and conditions and the end user license agreement? Obviously we are, and the following 下一步 means you're gonna go to the next step, and we're gonna continue the next step. We're gonna choose this hard drive, and you can see that, I mean, this you can tell they are just all normal things, and this is telling you to install. It's saying install here, or you want to choose another place, and this is for file encryption. Yeah, 绝密 means, I think that's not even 绝密, but yeah, anyways, that's usually what it, not 绝密. Okay, this is 加, right? Yeah, that's 加密probably. Okay, my Chinese is not good. Okay, just yeah. Anyways, you can see here, this is just telling you follow on with the steps. You're just gonna try a thing. That didn't say thread thing anyways. That definitely did not say thread thing, but it said something similar like, do you want to continue with the process and install it? And yeah, obviously we want to, because that's the point of installing it. Anyways, now we are just gonna wait for this to install. It shouldn't take that long. Oh, the Mac is heating up, you can tell. Firstly, I didn't know that this is made by Huawei. I'm gonna talk more about this because Huawei devices, they use Windows, right? But if I don't understand why they don't use Deepin, since they have been making it for so long. So yeah, it is kind of weird since that Huawei has been releasing their own like software along with Hongmen OS or Harmony OS, known in outside China regions. Yeah, as those. And yeah, not Deepin OS, it looks very cool and sleek. At least that's what I feel. I don't know about you guys, but yeah. And if you can't hear my Mac fans, it's very loud because it's probably CPU intensive. This has 4 cores, that's why it's doing everything faster. And this is actually might not be the beta version, so yeah, it could be the older one. But anyways, Huawei really did a good job if this is their development, because this looks very sleek. They have this is, if I'm not wrong, based on Debian 10, and Deepin 20 beta just released as well. Not just at this exact moment, but recently released. Anyways, you can see here on the official website. I mean, you guys can't see here, but they have a new look. They have the Windows 11 look, but it looks kind of cool. It looks changed. Gives you a new look to it. But yeah, it's similar to Windows, but even more similar to Chrome OS, probably because they are all operating systems, and operating systems cannot be that different in that sense. So yeah, anyways, if you guys want to make your own Linux distribution, I recommend the LFS book. I've tried it before, never successfully did it. Maybe you guys can. So yeah, if you guys actually made your operating system, you guys can send me a link to that file, and I'll go and check out your operating system, and I can do a review about it as well if you guys want. So yeah, I'm quite sure this says reboot, but yeah, what did I say? That actually did say reboot. My Chinese is not that bad. And I just noticed we need to reboot now, because because you have to remove the drive in this case, and they didn't help me remove automatically. I mean, if you're actually using a PC, you would plug it out and remove this drive. Okay, now we're just gonna start. It should work now. Let's switch to that mode. And yeah, Deepin OS. We don't know whether it will adapt to, oh yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. It took my full screen. Let's go. Finally. It's so rare that I actually use my full screen. So yeah, never mind. What? No. True thing. Close this. Does that not say true thing? Because I don't know. Okay, we'll restart this. Does the drive not? Because I already removed the thing, so yeah, maybe we'll just let it work on the options for Deepin OS. Okay, can this work? I don't know, because that boot me back into. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I'm just gonna continue this in English because I'm very confused. Oh no, it's correct actually. So yeah, we can stick with Chinese now after I got the first word out, because yeah, my pinging is that bad. Yeah, we're gonna stick with Hanyu, whatever that means. If this is even Hanyu, yeah, we're gonna stick with that. Okay, is this keyboard? Wait, no, keyboard. I need a US keyboard. Okay, this is a really big, but never mind. We're just gonna do it with Hanzi. Okay, Hanzi will work. We're not gonna do much typing. We are just gonna agree with this because why not? Okay, at least they were smart enough to be able to sense my English keyboard. But anyways, this is Mima. Mima means password, so we're just gonna type this in. And saying my password is not secure. Yeah. Salted. We are gonna have to use another password. And is this better? No, that isn't. No. I have to think of a password now. Quirky that. Okay, I'm just gonna do quirky one because I'm never gonna remember my password because of them. Siaipu. Come on, let me go to the next step. Yeah, okay. Quirky $1 sign. You have to do quirky $1 sign. Why? Is it just me, or is it forcing me to add even more words? Because 强度高 means it's a very high 强度, but okay. 微小字, okay, no uppercase. If that's actually what that's sure. And I cannot remember my password. Better look at it one more time first. Okay, next. I better go type it out somewhere first. $1. Okay, great. We got it. Now we're back in here and we're gonna let it do its process. I don't know how long this is gonna take. It's probably not gonna take that long, but yeah, it's probably just gonna set up my user accounts and everything. By the way, this is developed by Huawei and another company, which I cannot remember its name, so I'm gonna go find it. It's by Huawei and Wuhan Deepin Technology. Yes. Yeah, it's just Deepin. But yeah, if you guys didn't know, it is a China company. So yeah. I'm not saying that you shouldn't use it because it's a China company. I love Huawei. They make the best of the best phones, and when I mean best of the best, I actually love their phones. Their phones have awesome battery life, their cameras are amazing, and with their new Kirin 9000E chips, they are obviously next level. So yeah, anyways, we are done here. Not done for this video, we are done with this process or step of installation. As we can tell, it doesn't use my home screen. And from what I remember, the previous time I had something like this. What did I say? I really should have gotten the English version, but anyways, let me just. Okay, we're gonna go with this special mode because I like special. Great. Oh, it's just telling you whether you like it Mac OS style or this style. I'm gonna go with this style because why not? This style or this style? Okay, I'm gonna go with this style. Yeah, this is really very customizable. And we can even choose what we want as the apps. Wow, this is amazing. We are gonna go with this one because this looks a bit more Windows like, and one shot means finish. And we're done, and I'm gonna go change this to English so it'll save me a lot of time. I'm quite sure you're meant to type Wuhan, so yeah. Language, can you search language? Yeah, how do I change my keyboard to Chinese? Now that's another thing. Hanyu, yeah, that's a thing. Now that only affect my course. Yeah, I can do this in Chinese, but if you guys want to do it in Chinese, I mean, sure. Okay, but I already see Yuan here. Okay, we're just gonna close this keyboard if I know how to. I'm just gonna close this. Hi, it's here. Okay, yeah, this allows you to change the language from here. How do we end? Yeah, as you can see here, it's 简体中文 and my Chinese is bad, so I'm just gonna go with American English. And I'm probably gonna stick with American English right now, so it's gonna save my life a bit more. Okay, we're just gonna let it do its own thing. Anyways, if it doesn't change, it's probably needing a reboot, but it's fine. We're just gonna go through this. Anyways, this is the store, like app store, where you can install your apps. This is the place where you play music, and this is like a VLC player. But yeah, we are just gonna go to the store and see what apps they have to offer. Oh yeah, but really apps will be in Chinese, but don't worry, my Chinese is good enough for me to translate them. And by the meaning translate them, I'm gonna look at the logo and tell you. This is gonna search like for your apps if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so 工具 means like, yeah, your apps and stuff. So yeah, I mean, it's a good skill to have if you speak Chinese and you want to use Chinese apps. And I mean, yeah, that's not a bad thing. So yeah, anyways, if I'm not wrong, from the logo, I'm literally I can't even read the following, but I'm gonna infer that's TikTok because we all can recognize that logo anywhere. So yeah, that's probably TikTok. Now we're just gonna scroll down continuously and see what else they have to offer. Yeah, all of these apps, they're just Huawei made apps, probably from the store, ported from Android. Yeah, I'm just gonna quantize all you, which means close every single tab of that. So yeah, anyways, this is most about Deepin OS, how you can install it with a live USB, and this is the recycling bin for your dummy files. Yeah, and this is the DVD ROM that I said attached. If I inject it, it should inject my system. So yeah, anyways, yeah, that's mostly it for this video. If you guys like it, please leave a like and subscribe, smash the like button, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.